fast car just to come fashionably late. I got a face card, don't pay a fraction of what you paid. 1,000 on the vote just to put the ratchets in the safe. Just call the op black and see the satisfaction in my face. Too slim.
YouTube, as y'all can see, man, we got the 2023 Widebody motherfucker, you know what I'm saying? Clean, sparkly white, you know what I'm saying? 392 motherfucker with the red guts, man. We finna get our little POV in this motherfucker in the hood, you know what I'm saying? This is what y'all been saying. Y'all want to see me cut up in the hood in the Widebody. Let's make it happen, man. We got the little baby SRT Jeep right there, but we gonna put that motherfucker up. We finna get active. Stay tuned. I ain't turn mine on.
Shit. Hear that water?
Bro, you know they say the Hellcat, you can't hear the whine when you start taking off the headers and all that, when you put headers and shit on there?
Yeah.
It be too fucking loud.
Right, yeah.
If I get a Hellcat, that bitch gonna be stuck, gang. I need to hear that whine. I know y'all tired of hearing the seatbelt, YouTube. My fault. My fault. You know, niggas drive dangerous around here. We don't need seatbelts. Bruh, what the fuck? Nah, we gotta go Hellcats, bruh. Like, this shit lit, but I know I get used to this shit too quick, boy. You want gas in St. Louis or here?
Shit.
Ain't nothing but the dub. Cut up on the highway. You know what I'm saying?
I'm trying to see if it's different in sport mode, bro.
They say the transmission a lot different. That's the only.
Yeah.
Ooh, I like that. I like that. Yeah, move out the way, nigga. We in that big body. Thought that was my shit. I be wanting to drift this motherfucker in my car and I know I can't. I'm gonna be over there, bro.
Boy.
You don't got lane assist and shit, do you?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you do. I be wanting to run into like some bad shit on the highway, bro. You know, but regular traffic. Your shit be crackling and popping?
Yeah.
My shit do it, but like you barely hear it.
Yeah, man, get it. My shit good shit. Go ahead. Please.
We trying to go red out, gang. Go ahead and hit us.
Nigga, shit, you gotta slow down now.
Why the fuck y'all keep braking?
They got to slow down. Make that gap. You got to slow down.
See, you and Mar be taking some crazy ass gaps, bro.
Nigga. You don't understand.
I be wanting to do it, bro, but I be like, nah. What if that's like a fat, like, oh, no, I be on some protective shit, bro. Like,
I mean, yeah, I feel you.
slideshow days, though, bro, I don't be giving no fuck, but you be having to make them gaps,
Yeah,
quick.
where you get your ass left? Nigga, nobody here.
You get your ass left, or you get around some niggas that really can't drive. So what's the word, man? You going? You fuck with them spots or no? The fact that they only got like 3 locations is crazy. This motherfucker handle way better than my cars. It's them tires, bruh. My fault, gang. I'm over here driving your shit like I just stole it.
You good, nigga? Shit. Nigga, hey, I'm gonna die, nigga.
I ain't gonna lie though, that Riverview location is kind of crazy, but I don't like going to that motherfucker, bro. But
Bro, that shit.
the last time and the last time they did it though, they was there for like an hour and a half, bro. That's when Vito and them pulled up, bro. They was there for a minute, bro. Damn, nigga, say thank you, bitch ass nigga. Fuck wrong with him, YouTube? Now I'm gonna go rob his ass tonight. Fuck all that. That nigga snatched that shit. He ain't say shit.
Boy, I showed him like, damn, boy. What you say, motherfucker? Thank you.
I could have really just got out and whipped his ass. It ain't even worth it though. I don't even know what street we on. I feel like your ass gotta be in 2 lanes to be in the wide body, boy.
Oh, it is hella wide, boy.
I was 19 years old with 500,000. Not in my bank, nigga, on my fucking neck. One Ferrari, got into a wreck and got a faster one. Had a bitch who sucked a sucking dick and got a nasty one. If you don't like the way the truth sounded, don't ask me not. Kick it with... Look, I kick it with a thought, if she really in the class to win. Spent $2 million on my mom alone, oh she glad I'm son. Still pulling out these burnt holes with a magnum on. It's free BG and